All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Skill Issue Challenge from Hack the Web. Let's read about what this challenge is all about. So it says here that a skill issue is when a person simply lacks competence. That's exactly how I feel about this stupid game. You control the ball with the arrow keys and have to alternatively touch the left and right walls. After doing that 100 times, you get the answer. Bex is a real natural at this. Here's a video of him playing. So maybe you're not that competent. I'm not. What I can do is hack. Haha. You can view and edit the game's source code. I've even marked a spot in the code for you that'll let you win easily. Good luck. Okay, so how does this game work? So the game works, you control the ball, and what you need to do is you need to either make the ball go up or make the ball left and right with the arrow keys over here. And what you need to do is you need to touch the walls. Uh-oh, I need to restart. You need to get at points by touching the walls without letting the ball touch the ground. So if your ball touches the ground, then the score resets back to 0. So, I mean, we could probably get good at this game. It gets a little bit tricky because the ball speeds up. But of course, there is a way we can hack this program. Okay, so what do we do? Let's talk about it. So here. So in this challenge, so this is Hack the Web skill issue. In this challenge, we're asked to play a game and score 100 points. So we could learn how to play the game and become skilled enough to score 100 points, but there's a much easier way to score 100 points. That is hacking. What we're doing here is we're doing some JavaScript injection, and we're basically changing the variables of the code. So we can edit the source code of the game and edit it so that we start the game with 100 points. So update score, this is the variable that keeps track of how many points you have. We can set this to 100, and then we can get the answer for the problem immediately. So let's go ahead and try that. So over here, we're going to go ahead and show the source code for the application. So what we do is we scroll down in the source code until we get to this point. So this is where the starting score is set. For example, you could, for example, change it to 50. So update score, it's 0 right now, but what we really want is we really want it to be 100. So type in 100, and then we can click on the check mark up here. So the answer is goat. So if we restart the game, we see that the answer is goat each time. But yeah, so we managed to get the answer. So the answer is GOAT. Submit that as the answer. And that is correct. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Skill Issue Challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the likes and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.